Don, what the hell is that thing?
This is our cine lifter. Ken built this for us.
Ken who?
Ken Dobo! And it runs iNav. It's got position hold and everything. Turn on the radio.
Do we have specs on this thing or what's going on?
Yeah, there's only one spec. It goes really fast. It carries a lot of weight. What's cool about this drone, if you look on the side here, we got this little LED. When we have 5 satellites, it starts blinking yellow. And when we have 6 satellites, it will blink green. There we go, it's all green. Come closer. We have everything up here too. We have receiver link quality. We have a transmitter power, which I like to have. I know when it's switching dynamically. We have our battery voltage, and also if the green light fails on the drone itself, then we have satellites here listed. Direction to home, milliamps, or mAh.
Ma!
Taking off.